Hey guys, what's up? It's Crystal. Today I'm going to be doing a review and swatch video on the Selena MAC collection. I don't know about you guys, but I love Selena. I love everything, but I love Selena. My Aunt Vanessa and I were on the struggle bus on the day that they had like the pre-order, because man, it was hard to get some of that stuff. She had to get like 3 things for me, and then I had to get 2 things on my own at different times from not different places, but just different times. So yeah, we were on super early, like all day, and apparently there was a separate launch for Instagram and then another launch for MAC. So we did not know that. So we were like dummies all day, like on the MAC website, waiting. We missed the Instagram launch for the pre-orders, so we didn't end up getting anything until the MAC launch. And then you had to be like in a waiting room, and it just took forever. We were like on our phones, we were on our iPads and our laptops. It was crazy. But I mean, at the end, we got everything that we wanted. The crazy thing though is that one of the things that was sold out that I wasn't able to get, I logged on to the MAC website like 2-3 hours later in the evening, and it was there. Like, it was in stock. I mean, I'm not complaining, but that was a little annoying. Like, I don't understand what happened. I'm glad I did. I got my stuff. So I have it all here. I got the eyeshadow palette, the highlighter, and then a liquid lipstick, a regular lipstick, and a lip gloss. So this is the packaging that it came in. Really cute. Sorry, mine's dirty. I've already used it. So this is for the eyeshadow, the highlight, and then of course the lipsticks and the lip gloss. First is the eyeshadow palette. Mine's dirty. I've used it like twice. So it has the bustier, and then when you open it, oh, I don't know where I left the little paper. Oh, my bad. It has this little paper, and then it has like parchment paper, and then you have the shadows and the mirror. So that's that. And then same design for the highlighter. You also have that little plastic covering mirror as well, and the highlighter. How pretty is that? It's a rose. No one's gonna want to use that. Like, come on. But yeah, and then the lip glosses and the lipstick and the liquid lip. It's like same MAC packaging. The only complaint I have is that this is cardboard. This is not plastic. This is just cardboard. Could they have done better? I think so. The last ones they did with the purple packaging was plastic, which I think is better. So that kind of sucks, because it's like they know that we're gonna go crazy and buy it no matter what. Like, they know they're gonna sell. So I feel like they're kind of just trying to like throw product out and like not worry about the packaging, which is fine. You know, what really matters is what's inside. And I think they did do a good job with, as far as like the product itself, especially like with the design. The lipstick has the little, oh, wrong side, has the little rose, and then you already saw the highlighter, it has it too, so that's good on their part. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the swatching of the eyeshadows. I am not a makeup artist. I just love makeup. So I'm gonna warn you now, my swatches are gonna be pretty bad. Yeah. So let's get started. Okay, it does have the names on here. I'm not sure which is which, but I was confused because there's 8 of them and I only see 7 names. The eyeshadow palette itself is called Me Siento Muy Excited. And then the names are Te Amo, Captive Heart, Me Siento Muy Excited, Como Te Extraño, Live in Concert, It's a Texas Thing, and Los Dinos. So that's only 7. But there's 8 eyeshadows. So I don't know what's up with that. But anyways, I'm just gonna swatch on my here and then show you, because I'm gonna be honest with you, I already tried filming this once and it was pretty bad. So here I am doing it again because swatches were horrible. So the first one's gonna be this one right here. There you go. It's that light color. And then I'm gonna go on with this one right here. Then we're gonna move on to this one. I am trying much harder to get better swatches than the first time around. The first time around was pretty pathetic. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this one right here, the darkest color in the palette. I need to wipe my hands. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this last matte right here. It's like a burgundy color. It's actually, I'd say it's kind of like a pink plummy color. Doesn't really show up the same on camera. A little bit more so you could really see. This is, I think, the only one I haven't used. And now we're gonna move on to my favorites, the shimmers. Wait, yeah, okay, so I'm gonna do this. Actually, I haven't used this one either. It's like a pinky. This one's like very chalky. I've only swatched. Did you see that? It just yeah, you can tell. It's just like going everywhere. There's a lot of fallout. Damn, I was doing so good and this one ruined it. Bueno, pues, that's that. And then, I'm gonna do this one right here. This is actually the color that I'm wearing on my lids. Not a professional, people. Just a makeup lover. That is all. So pretty, huh? Really pretty. Okay, and then the last one. I did a look using this one last time. This one, it's like kind of like iridescent, like it looks gold, but kind of like purpley pink at the same time. So last time when I used it, I kept on packing it on. Can you see that? I kept right here. There you go. Do you see how it looks like kind of purple? And then I don't know if I could get it to look gold, but it looks like right here it looks kind of gold. So I kept on packing it on because I couldn't see it that good. Like I thought that I wasn't putting any, oh sorry, I was trying to get the highlight. I thought that I wasn't putting any on, so I kept on packing it on and packing it on, but apparently I was. It's just that, I guess from like the angle that I was looking at it, I couldn't see it. Yeah, this one right here, it's very chalky, like it has a lot of fallout. I just have that all over my leg. Okay, so those are the eyeshadows. There's 8 of them. There is, how many? Well, you can't even see the first one. Oh, there, yeah, you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes and 3 shimmers. The highlight on the last time I filmed in the video, I put it on, so that's what I'm wearing right now. But I'll still swatch it. I don't want to use this one. It's just so pretty. Okay. I'm gonna swatch it right here. That's the highlight. And the lipsticks, I'm gonna do on this side. Hopefully they come out good, because I'm not good. I'm left-handed, so this is easier for me than to do this side. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna do the liquid lipstick first. The liquid lipstick is called, what is it called? Siempre Selena. This is what I'm wearing right now. That's what I have on, and it has like a little doe foot applicator. This, for some reason, when I lined my lips, it was tickling me. So weird. I've never had that happen, but like, I don't know, it was like a tingling sensation. Very weird. Here is the lipstick, Queen of Cumbia. This is like a burgundy color. This is really hard with your right hand. Maybe I should have just done it on the other side. Okay. There's that. Make it a little bit bigger. Oh, wow. It's like a little kindergartner just scribbled on me. I'm not right-handed. Okay, and then finally, hey Dad, pizza. I love that name. This is the lip gloss. It's like a champagne gold. Pretty. So, there you go. It's everything I got. I'm sorry for my swatches. I know they're not the best. It's hard work. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that if you got the collection that you are enjoying it, and if you haven't, maybe this will give you an idea of what you'd like to purchase or would not like to purchase from the collection. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you later. Bye.